So over the past 3 months, he had constipation on the 20th, 21st of December, 4th, and the 16th of January, and the stools are hard and dry. He had cough on the 12th of December. Mouth ulcer and running nose were experienced by mommy and daddy respectively on the 16th of December and 13th of December. Bad breath was seen in a boy on the 14th of December. Mucus discharge on the 13th of February, 20th of February, 21st and 25th of February. For the first one, it was running nose that has solid mucus that were white. Can you tell me the episode where he discharged right after the orange juice? He took a nap?
Remember?
No.
Yeah, the thing is, it's a bit long time ago. So
because sometimes we can't understand it's the detoxification. After talking with you only, we realized that
I see.
it was
Okay. Right. It was mentioned that the mucus were white gray in the record here. It was a nap after
the whole time. The last time was the lengthier one, right? Because it was for a long time. The runny nose for the
it's for more than 2 weeks or
2 weeks,
something. Yeah. And now it is stopped. Yeah.
Yeah, now it's
Because I took so many solid ones. I put with a tissue and take out all the from the nostril, from the nose. I sent you one photo with black,
the dry snot.
Yeah, snot.
And the white color, the powdery thing around his nose after runny nose. Once it's dry.
That's its saliva, I think.
Saliva, right. It was also recorded here. Okay, so I'll just continue. The running nose, the second episode was dark yellow from left nostrils only. And mommy was asking me why only left on the 20th. But then 2 days later, both nostrils.
Both nostrils, yeah.
Right. So it was a progression of stages. And then he had the pimples, you call it red bump, at the back and also the chest.
Yeah.
It's no longer there, right?
No longer there.
Okay. And then he had a slight fever, but his usual body temperature is 36.5. But that day you told me his temperature was 37.6. That's almost a 1.1 degrees Celsius. Red lumps on the 20th and 22nd of February in the chest, backside, waist, legs, and hands. And then mommy also reported that the snoring were more on the first night. Okay. And then urine were light yellow, very few bubbles on 23rd of January. On the 14th of December, it was just light yellow, but it's only on the 23rd of January that you saw some few bubbles. What do you mean by cream soda color?
Cream soda is something yellowish carbonated drink,
So there were also saliva. There were some pictures where you shine us saliva on his,
at night,
night.
You found it in the night or in the morning when he woke up?
Night.
Okay.
Yeah, we sent you some photos, I think.
Yeah, we sent you some photos.
And then on the 18th of December, making different noises.
Yeah, that's like another hyper still
happening.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Right. And then he was aggressive on the 23rd of January. On the 25th of February, he had a dry snot that you mentioned on the nose. So subsequently, you still managed to dig out quite a lot.
Yeah.
On the 25th of February, his yellowish motion, smell was terrible. It was 3 times, one at 4 a.m. and then second at 6 a.m., third one at 3:30 p.m. Floating in 2 cm stools. What does that mean?
Floating means it's light and it is floating on the water. It's not going
down.
Just floating on the water, and it's light. That's why it is floating, and it is like 2 cm is the length.
Wow.
Probably, yeah.
These days also we notice some.
Yeah. Most of the time his poo is floating.
When you say 2 cm means it's the thickness.
The length.
Length.
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
say you get a long cylinder, we cut into 2 cm small parts, and this is are floating on the water. Yeah.
Okay, okay, I get it. So how about lately, these few days? Is it still the same?
2 days ago, you said the same.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Two
It,
days
it, it
ago,
was
it was the
flooding.
same.
We had to flush so many times to get rid of it because it's not flushing properly because
Okay.
it's very light.
And all the time, those things happen together. The frequent urination happens as well as the poo poo parts are like a 2 centimeters. So both things happen in same days.
Okay, excellent. So it shows you how much spring cleaning was happening. Previously, he hardly sweat. Remember, you told us?
Yeah. I can remember. One day we saw that. I think we sent you a photo with wet, like
Head,
very
head.
wet hair.